Funny ways to boost creativity in kids.
Creative thinking is one of the important elements of early childhood development. It helps in enhancing their skills physically, socially, mentally, and emotionally. With the help of creativity, toddlers can find pleasure in expressing their ideas through sounds, colors, and shapes. Creative learning also encourages problem solving and critical thinking skills. It helps in social communication among your toddlers. It is one of the best ways to express emotions. When your child grows up, it provides them a way to socialize with children. It also helps in sharpening their motor skills. If you're thinking of how to encourage creative thinking, then below mentioned are some of the best imagination and creativity activities that promote creative thinking among your toddler, which are cut and glue activity. This is one of the most creative art activities that help your kid in building their creativity level. You need a scissor, color, glue, paper, and board. Ask your child to cut the paper in different shapes, color it, and paste it on board. This helps you in enhancing the motor skills of your tot. Clay modeling activity. It is one of the most fun-oriented and creative items to play. Give your child some clay and encourage them to make different shapes. Finger painting. If you're still thinking of how to encourage creativity in a child, then you can think of finger painting activity. It's one of the messiest and the most interesting activities that your child can do. For conducting this activity, you only need watercolor and drawing paper. For doing this activity, spread some drawing paper on the table and leave your child free to do the painting with fingers. Dramatic play. The other way of encouraging creativity in children is through dramatics. This is the most fun-loving activity that every toddler will love to do. It will not only build your toddler's creative thinking, but it will also help them in enhancing their abstract thinking, emotional and language skills as well. A new ending. Kids love to hear good stories like fairy tales. Read their favorite story and ask them to give a new ending. Encourage them to change the story using a character from other stories. This activity will not only improve creative thinking, but you will also come to know about the rich fantasy of your schoolgoer. Creative role playing. Give your child a couple of stuffed animals and let them act in whatever way they like. By having role play, kids will create conversations and situations in such a way that it will also help them in improving their social skills. A creative out of the box. You can also help your child in thinking out of the box by giving those creative games and activities. These games will also help them in developing skills like coordination, self-expression, and motor skills. Painting. Painting is another way of developing children's creativity. All you need is watercolor and a sheet. Buy your child those colors and let them explore their imaginations. It is one of the messiest, funnier, and the most entertaining ways of encouraging creativity in children. Cooking. This activity is for grown-ups. Give your children the full right to the kitchen and let them make the best out of the ingredients that are present in a kitchen. Apart from improving their creativity, it will enhance their cooking levels as well. Creativity is more than talent and skill. Being creative will not only allow your child to be more flexible, but will also help them in becoming better problem solvers and critical thinkers. Creativity also makes them more capable in terms of adapting to technological advancements and provides them with many new opportunities. Thus, make your child free and let them explore their levels of creativity.